Deep litter system of poultry farming is a system of poultry farming where the birds are left on the floor for production. It has its own advantages and the disadvantages over the battery cage system. Production of big eggs in this system is possible, but the consumption rate of the birds is higher than the battery cage system because of the kind of energy they exhaust while in this system. The birds tend to gain more weight, which is not an advantage for laying birds, but it has a value when selling them off at all layer level. Stay on for more tips on agriculture. Your number one farmer, Dora the Farmer. You're welcome.